How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Canon G3010 printer to a laptop wirelessly. So it's going to be extremely simple, and I'm referring to the official instruction from the manual of Canon itself. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you enable the wireless direct on your printer. Make sure that the printer is turned on. You then want to press on the direct button. The phone icon appears on the LCD, and basically the wireless direct is enabled and a device can be connected to the printer wirelessly. So from there, let's head over to the next step, which is to connect the device to the printer itself. First things first, you will just want to turn on the wireless communication on your device. So if you're using something like your laptop, you could simply type for something like Wi-Fi or the internet and network. From here, you can just go ahead and simply go ahead and locate the model that you are currently using. So it's going to be the G3010 series. And the X right here represents the last 6 digits of your printer's MAC address from the list displayed on the devices. So just go ahead and make sure that you select your model. And then right after, you then have to enter the password. Now, your device is connected to the printer, and as a side note, you can check the printer's password by printing the network settings information. Depending on the device that you were using, entering the password is required to connect a device to the printer via the wireless LAN. So you could just enter the password specified for the printer itself. If you're having a hard time printing the network setting information, it's going to be this on the option right here. And so right after, you can now go ahead and print all of your documents wirelessly by connecting it over to the wireless print feature. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.